Welcome to this tutorial on using the Drops Metric Calculator, a tool designed to assess the potential consequences of a dropped object in the workplace. Whether you're working at height or managing safety on site, this calculator helps determine the severity of a potential incident. The Drops Metric Calculator provides a common benchmark for classifying the potential consequences of dropped objects. It factors in two main variables: the mass of the object and the height from which it falls. To begin, identify the object's weight. Let's say we have a bolt that weighs 300 grams. Next, measure the height from which the object could potentially fall. Let's say 9 meters. Ensure this is measured from the solid deck or ground level, and not just from the height of an individual. Now, consider the same bolt dropped from 20 meters. At this height, the risk increases, potentially resulting in a minor injury requiring medical treatment. If the bolt were to fall from 40 meters, the potential consequences escalate further, leading to a major injury, such as a lost time injury or a days away from work case. But what happens if the bolt weighs 500 grams? If this heavier bolt falls from just 20.6 meters or higher, it creates enough momentum to cause a fatality. Please note that this calculator assumes the use of standard personal protective equipment, PPE, like hard hats, safety boots, and eye protection. Also remember that even small objects can be lethal if dropped from sufficient height, so always approach each situation with caution. For objects weighing less than 0.1 kilograms, consider the risk of puncturing the skin or damaging tissue, which might not be accurately reflected by the calculator. The calculator is also not suitable for sharp objects like broken glass or metal shards. One key concept is the 40-joule rule. Any blunt object that achieves 40 joules or more in fall energy is likely to result in a recordable incident if it impacts an unprotected human body. For objects heavier than 1 kilogram, use the second page of the Metric Drops Calculator. Remember, the Drops Metric Calculator is a guide, not an exact prediction. Always prioritize safety and use this tool as part of a broader risk assessment strategy.